avocado. It is as iconic in Mexico as chilies and cactuses are. And I want you to take a close look at this, eh? How you pick a good avocado is by touch. It has to be a little soft to the touch, not too soft, otherwise it's too ripe. But if it doesn't feel soft, then that means that it needs time to ripen. Now, how amazing is that? That with the fruit, you can identify a country. It's like saying maple syrup, you think of Canada, you think of avocado, and who will you be thinking of if it's not Mexico? First thing first, I'm gonna make my marinade. And for that, serrano peppers. Super spicy. I want all the spiciness in it. So remember, all the seeds contain where most of the spices of the chilies are, and I want to get every single bite of it, because this is what's going to make our marinade fiery. Cucumber is going to help my marinade to just become a little more fresh. It's perfect. Cilantro not only is going to add aromas to it, but it's gonna make our fiery water green. Lime. Now, how Mexican this is, just think about it. Avocado, serrano, cilantro, lime. I mean, this dish speaks Spanish already. And just to finish, tequila. Just a little bit, just a little splash. And then I'm ready to blend this. Don't be afraid to shake it like a margarita. Okay, let's take a look at our marinade. It's a little creamy. We want the lime to come through. Now, it is the acidity of the limes that basically cooks the fish, or the shrimp in this case. We're basically making a marinade with these chilies and the avocado, the tequila and the cilantro. Oh, man, this is great. Super spicy, but it's fresh. And the avocado just brings enough creaminess to it. And now for my ceviche, my personal favorite, shrimp. I'm gonna cut them in half because when you make ceviche, if you were to add this right into the marinade, it'll take forever to cook. So by just cutting in half, we're reducing the time. Now, I'm ready to build my aguachile. We're gonna make a layer of the shrimp. We're gonna cover them with salt. This is very important because I want the shrimp to start curing. And this is almost ready. This is what makes this dish so crazy, because it takes literally 15 minutes to make from start to finish. We're gonna cover it very gentle with our beautiful marinade. Look at this. Basically, it's gonna start tenderizing the outside layer of the shrimp, but I want the rest of the flavors to infuse the shrimp with it. So I want the serrano to come through. I want the cilantro just to become very aromatic with it. Just to finish this dish, cucumber and red onions. I like mine to be cut as thin as I can. Look at this. It's gonna add a bit of color difference, but also gonna add a bit of crunchiness to it. It's gonna be so delicious. But I already have some that I marinated earlier, and they're ready to be eaten. Take a look at this, eh? This is how you know that the shrimp is cooked. You see that? The color have changed in it. The inside of the flesh of the shrimp is a little wider. And now in Mexico, so ceviches are extremely popular. And where I'm from, I'm sure you guys have heard of Puerto Vallarta. So if you guys like the resorts there, make sure to ask for this, ceviche con aguachile. I'm gonna add a bit of cilantro. And to make this a little pretty, avocado, cucumber, and nachos. I'm ready to start this fiesta. Okay. This dish is absolutely superb. It is a home run for sure. You can cook it with limes, lemons, even oranges if you want to. It's just wow.